Hello from Slovenia again. So, I'm back in my kitchen. So you will hear my clock again. And I will do reverse flower dip again. And I mixed this phthalo cyan blue with phthalo green for kind of dark phthalo blue color. I didn't do this okay here. And next will be my metallic silver. Whoop. I just gone all over here. And this is quinacridone burnt orange from Liquitex Heavy Body. And next will be the gold, metallic gold. And this greenish blue for my last color. And I will spray my paper towel with water. Some of you ask me with what I spray my paper towel. I just spray it with water. So and put this down. I think that I didn't do this quite good, but it will have to be okay. I did similar combination a few videos ago and I really like it, but I want more blue, so that's why I decided that I will try this combination today and see how this will came out. And I used bronze last time and metallic white, pearl white, and today I use gold and metallic silver instead of white. So let's see how this combination will work. Not bad, but I was hoping looking for a little different result. I like this greenish blue and gold together. Maybe this quinacridone burnt orange shouldn't have been there, but now it is what it is. I can't do nothing about it. I think that when this will dry will be nice, but at this moment I really don't know if I like it. Just trying to do something, but I can't. I must say that I really like this center because it's like a small flower in the middle of this outside flower. Let me show you close up. See? Beautiful little flower here. These blue veins. Are beautiful, but I'm not sure about the whole flower. I really don't. But I really love this blue. So maybe next time I will leave out this burnt orange and do just with blues, golds and silver, and see if I can get something nicer than this one. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.